Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Nowuknow. Today is my birthday. I got a gift. So today I'm going to unbox it. I'm so excited. Wait a second. Ta-da! It's a slime lab. So today we will learn how to make slime. Let's go to our video. Hey guys, let's see what's in the slime lab. These are two mixing bowls to mix. This is slime clear glue. These are the colors. This is the slime activator. This is the main ingredient of making slime. This is the measuring cup. When we make slime, we put the slime in this box. This is a spoon. This is the pipette. And these are some sticks to mix. And this is the instruction manual. Take 100 ml of warm water in the measuring cup. Then pour it into the mixing bowl. Then take the borax powder or slime activator. With the help of the spoon, take some and put it into the warm water. Mix it for 30 seconds. Clear up the mixing bowl and take 10 ml of clear slime glue. Then take 20 ml of tap water and it should be 30, included the gum, and mix it for 30 seconds. Keep the both solutions untouched for 30 minutes. Friends, now 30 minutes is over. Let's look how the solutions are. First, take the spoon, take some slime activator. Mix it. Friends, take the pipette, take some borax. 8 ml. Mix it. Take it in your hands and mix it. Friends, the slime is ready. Go and play with it. So today my video is ending. Bye. Like and subscribe. Hit the bell icon to see the notifications.